Our family is introverted. We value and enjoy our privacy and rarely socialize. Consequently, we would not want anyone from the outside to be able to look at us. Therefore, we would like to be able to separate the formal public living room from the family living area while providing the ability for the occasional sneak peek. A U-shaped arrangement was found to be the best solution to achieve the architect's hypothesis in terms of layout and composition. Solid walls are used to shield the interior spaces from neighbors and provide privacy. One of the key visuals in this residence is the sculptural main staircase, dubbed a stairway to heaven. Here's a look at the plan. The animated light breathes life into the space, like dancers moving to the rhythm of the music. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.